How to delete all messages on TikTok at once, or how we can delete all messages on TikTok. So the TikTok doesn't provide a built-in feature to delete all messages at once directly from the app. However, you can manually delete conversation or use a few methods to streamline this process. So here's a step how you can manage and delete your messages on TikTok. First of all, you have to launch the TikTok app on your device. So the first step there is that you can manually delete the conversation one by one. So you have to tap on the inbox, which is on the bottom of the screen, to access your message. So once you have accessed your message, you have to find the conversation that you want to delete. Scroll through your conversation list and locate the chat that you want to delete here. So you have to tap and hold that chat until a menu appears. Then you have to simply tap on and select the delete option here. So after that, you have to confirm that you want to delete the conversation here. Just go and delete your conversation. So if you want to clear the all messages within a specific chat, but you want to keep the conversation straight, you can open up the chat you want to clear. Just go and open up the chat that you want to clear. And you have to tap and hold the message to delete, which will bring the additional option. Choose the option delete here, and you will need to repeat this process for each of the messages within the conversation here. So at last, if you want to delete all your messages but you are willing to take a more drastic approach, you can go to your TikTok app info, and here you have to simply clear your data. So which will reset the app including all messages, and you will need to log in here. If you face any problem regarding this step, you can simply go to the TikTok support center or report a problem for help. So in a summary, while TikTok doesn't have a built-in feature to delete all messages at once, you can manually delete conversation or messages within the individual chat. For a more comprehensive deletion, clearing app data or reinstalling the app are potential steps for this. So with the help of this video, you will easily fix your issues related to your TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.